Now that we have laid a bit of foundation on what Git is, well, let's now see Git in action. And the first step, which we'll be looking at in this lesson, is installing Git. So you can head on to git-scm.com. On this page here, you can learn about Git, see the documentation, the community, and everything. But you can come to this download section here, and depending on the device that you use, you can select that from here if it's Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Unix. In my case, I use a Mac OS. I'm going to go here. It shows me the instructions for installing Git on my Mac OS, and I already have Git installed, so I'm not going to follow these steps, but if you don't, you can follow these steps. And to confirm that Git is installed on your device, then you want to open your terminal, and in here you can type Git. So if Git is installed, this would show you some commands that you can use with Git. But if Git is not installed, let's say I type Git S. Let's assume Git S is Git. If I type that, you're probably going to get something like command not found Git. So you would want to check back with this documentation to ensure that you have installed it correctly. But in my case, I have it installed. So you can also do git --version, and you can set the version of Git that you have installed. This is the version I have installed. It will probably be the same version that you have installed also. And once you have Git installed, then now we can begin to see Git in action in the upcoming lessons.